Starbucks just stole Chipotle's CEO, causing the stock to rally like crazy and creating a massive gain for these activist investors in less than a month. The famous coffee chain had been feeling the pressure from the two activist investors that had recently gotten involved in the company. This resulted in an abrupt management change that sent Starbucks shares up 25%, its greatest one-day gain ever, and Chipotle shares down almost 8%. Brian Niccol, who left his position at Chipotle to become the CEO of Starbucks, is currently being hailed as the top public restaurant CEO in the US and has a successful track record from leading Chipotle, Taco Bell, and Pizza Hut even during times of crisis. In just a few hours after the announcement, the stock received multiple upgrades, and the stock increase added $20 billion to its market cap. Starbucks had been doing badly for a while, and the stock had fallen all year, until the activist Elliott got involved in mid-July, and Starboard valued just last week. Starboard helped push out the previous CEO that had only been there for 18 months, and brought in Niccol, who's expected to turn things around. Do you think the stock will continue to rally?